you sick and tired of failing all your polyatomic ion quizzes? Well, so were we. So quit breaking those pencils and watch this.
Poly means many, so polyatomic ions is a group of atoms that has a charge.
So, you know a monatomic atom is made of a single atom that can have a charge. For example, sodium, magnesium, and oxygen. So then when more than one atom comes together, they form a big group of atoms. That big group of atoms has a charge. For example, nitrate has 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen all connected together to form a group, and that group has a charge of -1. So again, poly means many, polyatomic means ions made up of more than one or many atoms.
An example is ammonium. It is made up of 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen. To draw this, you have 1 nitrogen in the center and the 4 hydrogen surrounding it. Next, you count the number of protons and electrons. Ammonium has 11 protons and 10 electrons, so this means it has a net 1 positive proton. To show this, draw brackets around it.
Okay, now that you know what polyatomic ions are, now you have to memorize them. Here are some great ways to memorize common polyatomic ions. There are a set of rules to follow. If you can understand the rules, it will make learning them a whole lot easier. Rule 1. When naming polyatomic ions, remember that 8 is bigger than ite. This means a polyatomic ion with the ending 8 has 1 more oxygen than its counterpart with an ite ending.
Yes! Rule 2. A polyatomic ion with the prefix per will have 1 more oxygen than its counterpart with an ate ending. Rule 3. A polyatomic ion with the prefix hypo will have 1 less oxygen than its counterpart with the ite ending. So looking at the chart, if you can memorize the 8 polyatomic ions, then you can follow the rules to learn. So look at chlorate. If you memorize chlorate, then you just need to remember the rules. That ite is 1 less, so you know chlorite is 1 less oxygen, and per is 1 more. So perchlorate is 1 extra oxygen than chlorate, and hypochlorite will be 1 less than chlorite. This will follow with the others as well. And if it ends in ide, it is a single monatomic ion.